Finding your RevTag on the Revolut app takes less than 30 seconds, and we are going to get it done right now. Open up the Revolut app on your phone and look at the main dashboard screen. You want to move your eyes over to the upper left corner of the screen where your profile icon is sitting. Tap directly on that profile icon or your initials to open up your main account page. Once you are inside this section, look right underneath your full name. You will see a small gray word starting with an @ symbol. That exact username is your personal RevTag. Now, you have two options to share this information with your friends so they can send you money. You can simply tap once directly on the RevTag word itself to automatically copy it to your phone clipboard. That makes it incredibly easy to paste into a text message. Alternatively, if you tap on the icon next to it, a unique QR code will instantly load on your screen. The important thing is that anyone can scan this code to pay you instantly. However, there is a distinct trade-off to keep in mind. By sharing your RevTag or QR code, you are giving out a unique identifier that links directly to your legal name on the platform. If you value absolute anonymity, you lose that privacy the moment you pass this tag along to another person. In my case, I prefer the convenience of quick peer-to-peer transfers, so having it copied and ready to go outweighs the privacy aspect. Once you have copied the text or saved the code, you can back out of this profile menu by tapping the small arrow in the corner, which brings you right back to your main account dashboard. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.